Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P00FE indicates a blockage in the evaporative emission (EVAP) vent line, which may trigger the vehicle's powertrain control module (PCM) to record an error. The EVAP system is crucial for controlling fuel vapors, minimizing emissions, and ensuring proper fuel tank ventilation. When the system experiences lower than normal pressure during diagnostic checks, the PCM identifies an issue and logs this specific DTC. Addressing this error is essential not only for compliance with emissions regulations, but also for maintaining the performance and longevity of the vehicle. This guide will help you troubleshoot the underlying issues that lead to this DTC being set. The Evaporative Emission (EVAP) system is responsible for minimizing vapor emissions from the fuel tank. It captures and stores these vapors in the EVAP canister to prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, initiates a diagnostic check. If it detects less than the specified volume in the system when decompressing with the EVAP leak check module, it logs the DTC P00FE. The primary components involved include the fuel tank system, the EVAP canister, and the EVAP leak check module, ELCM. The fuel tank is located underneath the vehicle, while the EVAP canister can be found in the engine compartment or near the fuel tank. The ELCM monitors pressure and ensures the system is functioning correctly. The potential causes of DTC P00FE primarily include blockages in various components of the EVAP system. First, a blockage within the fuel tank system may impede vapor flow, affecting the system's ability to function properly. The second possibility involves the EVAP canister itself, which can become clogged with debris over time, preventing it from capturing vapors effectively. Lastly, the ELCM system can also develop blockages or experience damage, impacting its monitoring capability. Identifying the exact source of the blockage is essential for implementing an effective repair strategy. Vehicles experiencing DTC P00FE may exhibit a variety of symptoms. The most notable is the illumination of the check engine light, which serves as a warning to the driver that there's an issue within the engine control system. Additionally, a blockage could lead to decreased fuel efficiency, as the engine may run less effectively when vapor flow is restricted. This situation could also impact the overall performance of the vehicle. Furthermore, if the EVAP system is not functioning correctly, the vehicle may fail an emissions test, leading to potential legal and financial repercussions. Regular monitoring of the vehicle's diagnostic system can help identify these issues early. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P00FE involves following a confirmation procedure. Begin by reducing the fuel level in the tank to 3/4 or lower, ensuring that the system can effectively undergo testing without excess pressure from fuel. Next, turn the vehicle to the on mode, but refrain from starting the engine. At this point, you will need to select the EVAP leak check test using the HDS Honda Diagnostic System tool. This diagnostic function specifically targets the EVAP leak check module and allows the technician to gather essential data on the system's performance, paving the way for further investigation into the source of the error. In this second troubleshooting step, you will need to take specific actions to inspect the fuel tank system for blockages. Start by inserting the emergency fuel funnel into the fuel filler neck. This funnel is typically stored under the cargo floor lid for easy access. After securing the funnel, disconnect the fuel vent tube from the EVAP canister to allow for testing. Next, connect a vacuum pump or gauge, such as the Snap-on YA4000B, to the hose that leads from the fuel vent tube. By applying pressure to this hose, you can check if the pressure maintains itself properly. If the pressure is not held, it indicates that there is a blockage in the fuel tank system that needs to be addressed. For this third troubleshooting step, focus on the EVAP canister. Begin by disconnecting both the fuel vent tube and the drain tube from the EVAP canister, ensuring you can access all necessary ports for testing. After disconnecting these components, connect a different hose to the drain tube port. Following that, attach the vacuum pump or gauge to this new hose to measure the system's response to pressure. Applying pressure to the hose will allow you to confirm if the EVAP canister is functioning correctly. Normal conditions dictate that the pressure should not be held. If it does, this abnormality confirms there is a blockage within the EVAP canister itself. In the fourth troubleshooting step, you will focus specifically on the ELCM system. This inspection involves checking the entire system for any blockages, restrictions, or damage that could be affecting its performance. Components of the ELCM must be assessed visually and physically to ensure they are free from debris or damage that could hinder their function. It is crucial to engage in a thorough examination, as any issues found in this area could be responsible for triggering the P00FE DTC. Maintaining clear pathways in the ELCM system is essential for it to effectively monitor the vehicle's evaporative emissions. This final troubleshooting step concerns the EVAP leak check module itself. If all previous components have shown normal conditions, there's a high probability that the EVAP leak check module is the underlying issue. It is essential to confirm that all other related tests yielded normal results, helping to narrow down the cause of the P00FE DTC. If abnormalities were recorded elsewhere, repair or replacement of those components would need to be completed first. Once isolated as the culprit, the EVAP leak check module may require replacement or repair to restore proper function and eliminate the DTC. After completing repairs related to DTC P00FE, it is essential to conduct a final repair verification check. Begin the process by clearing the DTC from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using the HDS diagnostic tool. Once you have successfully cleared the code, return the vehicle to its normal operational mode. It's crucial to conduct a thorough functionality test to confirm that the repairs have resolved the issue and that the P00FE DTC does not reappear. Ensuring that all components of the EVAP system are functioning correctly will help in maintaining optimal vehicle performance and compliance with emission standards. Preventive maintenance is vital for avoiding issues related to the EVAP system, which can lead to DTC P00FE in the future. Regular inspections of the EVAP system components, including the fuel tank system, the EVAP canister, and LCM, help to catch potential problems before they escalate into significant failures. Using high-quality fuel ensures that impurities and contaminants do not accumulate in the system, reducing the risk of blockage. Additionally, monitoring for any signs of leaks or irregular behavior in the engine performance can alert you to problems early. Adopting these preventive measures can significantly enhance the lifespan of the components involved in the EVAP system. In conclusion, troubleshooting DTC P00FE requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve blockages within the EVAP system. By conducting thorough inspections of the fuel tank system, EVAP canister, and ELCM, technicians can pinpoint the exact cause of the DTC. It's essential to follow the diagnostic process meticulously and address each component individually to ensure clarity in identifying faults. Proper repairs based on the findings will aid in eliminating the DTC and restoring the full functionality of the EVAP system. Lastly, implementing preventive maintenance practices will further safeguard the vehicle against similar issues in the future. ensuring it operates efficiently while complying with emission standards. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.